Hello everyone, welcome to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to blur the background in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get into the video. So we have our video in the timeline. Now we are going to isolate the main subject from the background. Now select the video and go for Effects panel and search for Gaussian Blur and drag it on top of your video clip. Now go over to Effects Controls and select the Pre-Draw Bezier tool under the Gaussian Blur and go over and start drawing an outline around the subject you are isolating. Continue this until you are back to the original point you started at. Now that we have traced our subject, go back over to the mask and click on the stopwatch icon and then immediately click back on the mask above so it highlights it again on the preview window. Under your preview or timeline, drag the slider ahead until your subject starts to pull outside of the line you just traced and adjust them as needed. Continue doing this until you reach the end of your video. Now go for Gaussian Blur, check off the inverted box and change Blurriness. Now adjust the feather. So as you see, we got the blur background. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.